So Stephanie had a great ass idea to make some homemade activated charcoal toothpaste. And here's the ingredients we used. We took 2 of these capsules from those people. And we put about 1/8 of a teaspoon of orange peel in it. And we put about a teaspoon of peppermint oil, and then about 3 or 4 tablespoons of avocado oil. Mixed all that up, and the peppermint oil will burn your mouth up. So what you see in the end result is what happened, and actually Stephanie's teeth are about probably 3 shades whiter at least. It's very noticeable how much whiter they are. And I actually did mine too, and they're really white too. So anyway, give it a shot. See what you think. Leave your comments below. Check out this video. Alright, so what we got, baby?
Homemade activated charcoal toothpaste.
And see how yummy it looks. Alright, so what's in that?
Orange peel, peppermint oil, activated charcoal, and avocado oil.
And avocado doesn't have any flavor in the oil, so.
Alright, let's do that.
Had to dumb down that, had to dumb down the peppermint oil because that'll burn you.
Yeah.
You look like one of the ghouls from Thriller.
It tastes good. It's a little hot.
A little spicy.
Yeah. It's a little hot.
This is definitely going on YouTube, you know that.
Okay.
You gonna go for another dip?
Ooh, okay. Stop it now.
Okay, let's stop it. We're not looking.
Ugh. It's gonna be a mess cleaning it all up. Gosh, look at this thing.
It's all in your teeth and everything.
Yeah. That's pretty gross.
So,
Let's see if it works though.
stick your head under there and get you swishy of water.
Hold on a minute.
Clean your teeth out.
I need a cup.
Is it burning still?
Mm-mm.
Good. So that's not burning still.
I need to wipe my mouth off though.
You got a towel right next to you.
And clean this thing off.
All right, see your choppers. I think they actually do. They actually do look whiter.
Think so?
Look in the.
Yeah.
All right, baby.
Yes.
So, what do you think?
I liked it.
Yeah, and your teeth are actually a lot whiter.
They're a little whiter, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So, that's a big thumbs up. That's your idea to try that. Yeah. So, go ahead and like the video. Make sure you thumbs up it. Show them how to thumbs up. Big thumbs up. Yeah. Subscribe to our channel for a bunch of other different comment. I'm doing all kinds of different stuff. So, anyways, all right. Well, thanks for watching our video. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye.